Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix the network discovery is turned off error in Windows 11. To fix the error, so ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo and then select mo lang tong run. Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na run command and then next ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung services.msc and then click mo lang to okay. So dito sa services ay kailangan lang natin hanapin yung function discovery resource publication. So scroll lang tayo. Alright, so ito siya. So dito sa function discovery resource publication, click mo lang yan and then right click ka lang. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong start. So click lang natin yan and then wait natin. Alright. And then, kailangan i-close lang natin ito. Kapag hindi pa rin naayos yung error, so ang next method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click ka lang. And then select mo yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select tong network and internet. And then dito sa network internet, scroll down. Select mo lang tong advanced network settings. Dito sa advanced network settings, dito lang sa more settings, i-click mo lang tong advanced sharing settings. Click lang natin yan. And then ito na siya. Okay, so una makikita mo dito yung private network. So click mo lang tong arrow na to dito sa right side para makita natin yung settings niya. And then dapat yung network discovery ay naka-turn on siya. Okay, so dapat naka-turn on. Alright, so ang susunod yung public network naman ay dapat yung network discovery ay naka-turn off siya. Alright, so kailangan mo lang i-turn out. And then close lang natin yan. And then next ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang tong restart tong computer natin. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix yung network discovery start off error sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.